my skin has gotten so good literally in the last couple of months that I just don't need to blur anything because my skin is perfect, babe. Do you know what I mean? Like, there's no need to blur anything. It's just a perfect skin. So this was the mascara. This was the mask that I was using when I was in South Africa. I don't even think I can use that. I feel like this is dried up, but if Sun and Sky want to holler at me. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have been doing videos, so if you see me in the same outfit, I'm sorry guys, but I wanted to like try and record as much videos as I could to get it out while the show goes live. So today I'm just going to talk to you about my morning routine and the products that I used whilst I was in South Africa and where you can purchase them. A lot of people have been asking about my skincare routine. My skincare routine has differed and I will be doing a whole skincare routine for you guys, so stay tuned for that. But this is just what I used when I was in South Africa. Also, you got to remember the climate was a bit different. It was like a lot hotter, so I had to use specific products just to make sure that my skin was nourished, didn't break out. And you know, I mean, I tried to keep the same colour, but your child went from caramel to bourbon, and you know, I didn't really want to get burnt, but I think I did. So before we get into that video and I show you all the products I use, if you're brand new to my channel, why not hit the subscribe button? I do videos on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Sundays, and I'd love to have you here. So like, what are you waiting for? Have you subscribed? You have? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I'm going to talk you through my kind of daily routine in the house and the products I use. And my morning routine actually is exactly the same as it is now, to be honest, simply because it works for me. So first thing I do is I go in with the Body Shop Tea Tree Skin Clearing Mattifying Toner with Purifying Tea Tree Oil. I just like this because it actually just sits quite well on my skin. But with toners, I kind of like dibble and dabble with toners. I'm not really too fast with toners, to be honest. I think majority of them are quite good. I just love this because I just love tea tree oil essence. So once my skin has been toned, I go in with the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% with B5. I just love this, and I use this as a serum first of all before anything, and I just place it all over my skin. And hyaluronic acid just helps to like rejuvenate the face and the skin and have a little more elasticity. I will do a blog post which will go in depth of why I use all these products. So the first thing I do is I want to wash my face. I don't have it now, my camera's in the way, so I'm just going to put a picture, and this is usually what I use to wash my face.
So this is the Philosophy Purity Face Wash. This is a 3-in-1 facial cleanser, and it's an award-winning cleanser which is renowned and loved for its multitasking 3-in-1 approach to cleansing. It gently cleanses and melts away face and eye makeup in one step, whilst toning and lightly hydrating. Skin is left feeling perfectly clean, comfortable and balanced, and this is the face wash that I used.
And then for creams, I use the L'Occitane Immortelle Divine Cream. I just love this cream. I love how soft and gentle it is on my face. I don't take that much though, I just take a little bit. Whilst I was in South Africa, I literally would take a bit more just because of the weather conditions, and the skin does get dehydrated. Literally, like, I'd be like, oh my god, my skin. During the day, I'd literally be putting sun cream on like every 3 hours. Literally, I was like, I don't want to burn, I don't want to burn. And I feel like people feel like black people don't use sun cream. Listen, we probably get darker than all of y'all. We have to use factor 50. And then after using my cream, I would go in with the Neutrogena City Shield Hydration Lotion, which has SP25. It is quite low. I think that this is more for like London because it is a City Shield. But that was the only thing that I had in South Africa, which is probably why in about like 1 week, I went from like being caramel to bourbon biscuit. Listen guys, I was dark. I was so dark. I came back and my cousin was like, oh, you're black. And I was like, well, obviously. And she was like, no, I mean, like, you're so dark. I was like, yeah, no, sis. The sun caught me. And just to blur my skin, I was using the Nip and Fab Smooth Viper Venom Micro Blur. And I wouldn't literally take a lot. I would just take a little bit. And I used to put that on my T-zone area. I don't really use this anymore simply because my skin has gotten so good literally in the last couple of months that I just don't need to blur anything because my skin is perfect, babe. Do you know what I mean? Like, there's no need to blur anything. It's just a perfect skin. But yeah, like, so I don't really use that anymore, and that would be my morning routine. When we would have rose ceremonies, because your girl's face needs to be on fleek, I was using the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Porefining Mask because I needed my makeup to sit perfectly. So this was the mascara. This was the mask that I was using when I was in South Africa. It's nearly finished as well, like, so I don't even think I can use that. I feel like this is dried up, but if Sand and Sky want to holler at me, call me. And to keep my lips hydrated, I would use the Mer Lip Balm. I'm wearing it right now, and I just kind of use this as a lip balm and also as a primer. So even now, before I go out anywhere, I pop this on whilst I'm doing my makeup, and then I, you know, when I go out, I add my lipstick or my lip gloss, whatever I'm wearing. So this is essential. I'm now going to get ready because I have to go out. So, but that's all, guys. Those were the products that I used whilst I was in South Africa. What products did you like? Comment below. But yeah, if you like this video, why not give it a thumbs up? If you think anyone could benefit from this video, I'll be happy if you share this video. Why not share it? As always, you can follow me on my social media platform. I'll leave the links down below, and I'll also leave the links of these products down below so you can purchase them. But I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember to always stay what, guys? Bougie.